guys, if you're investing in crypto, you need to watch this. Overall, the crypto markets are crashing down very significantly. Bitcoin fell below 100,000. Altcoins are feeling the pain like crazy. Altcoin investors are starting to sell off their bags. Everyone is starting to reallocate. There was a whole bunch of news around Trump talking about US assets opposed to all other assets and pretty much capital gains in the US. A lot of people are starting to gravitate towards these US assets. But overall, guys, the crypto markets are getting squeezed like crazy. And we have seen this happen in multiple periods and multiple points in this cycle back in 2024 and moving into 2025. But why the feeling is so much different this time is just because we are after the whole, presidential inauguration. We have an actual pro-crypto, president. And after this huge event, everyone was anticipating a huge run-up for our bags, and not seeing this is causing a lot of panic. A lot of people are feeling like we already peaked out in this bull market. I'm getting a few comments about that based off of exactly the price action, and if we are pretty much the dumb money pretty much at the end of this tunnel. And I don't think that's the case. If we look up specific search terms around Bitcoin and altcoins, we're still not even at all-time highs like what we saw back in 2020 and 2021 as well. Also, with the price action around these assets, we're seeing very similar price action as to what we saw back in the 2017 bull market and also the 2020, 2021. So overall, I'm not really worried. We're seeing a lot of assets, get squeezed, but it's just because we see liquidity shift into Bitcoin. That's why we're seeing Bitcoin dominance rise and also USDT dominance rise as well. I've been keeping up with these indicators, and if you're new to the channel, drop a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if this is your first cycle in the crypto bull market in crypto. If you have been here for multiple cycles and you have a different perspective. But overall, guys, we have been anticipating this. We keep up with these indicators and understand how liquidity shifts in the market just to get a proper perspective as to when altcoin season could be potentially happening. I still think altcoin season is going to be happening. More than likely, I've been telling you guys, forecasted at the end of February moving into March. That's whenever we start to see some crazy price action. We have tax season, people are getting their returns, and then multiple other different events regarding the US and also just world events. So there's a lot of different things, guys, that is happening, but there's also a lot of FUD that is currently going on, which is causing a lot of people to capitulate their bags, sell off their bags. And if you're an altcoin investor, that is one of the worst things you can do. Now, if you want to mitigate your risk, so you're trying to sell a portion of your portfolio because you think we're going to be crashing down more, then by all means do what you think you need to do. But I have seen that most people get wrecked by trying to time the market by selling and buying at specific points, whereas if you're someone like me that just allocates into proper projects and you're just buying and buying, you're stacking up on these positions, and then whenever we return that liquidity back into altcoins, we're going to be sitting quite significantly. If you look at my portfolio right now, it's mainly around AI agents, AI infrastructure, and meme coins. And a lot of these coins, guys, are down, anywhere from 5 to 10x from where they were, which is why I'm investing in these specific coins. I believe in all of these coins. I'm not going to jump into every single one, mainly around literally what I just said: AI agents, AI infrastructure, gaming, as well as meme coins. Meme coins are on the back burner right now. Meme coins were kind of getting a lot of hype with the Trump meme coin and Melania meme coin, but now they're starting to die back down, and everyone's really wondering where to focus on. I really think it's around the AI sector, guys. AI is going to be popping off very significantly in 2025. Especially with a lot of the AI FUD that's currently going around with NVIDIA and OpenSeek and a few other ones. I'm not even too sure about that. I need to do more research on it. But apparently it's a whole bunch of FUD. But like stuff like this, guys, if you're a crypto investor, you need to understand that events, how liquidity shifts in the market, all of this stuff is really important, so you can understand how your portfolio is going to be, affected. If you're not aware of this, then whenever everything like this is happening and people are capitulating their bags, everyone is saying this is the peak of the market, then you might be feeling the pain as well, and you might be selling off your bags. I'm honestly not too worried. I'm pretty comfortable, and this is from actually educating on the markets, keeping up with all these specific indicators and specific crypto analysts that know what they're talking about, and then from there having a long-term perspective and not getting caught up in the macro lens. I understand if you're invested in crypto, you're here to make money, you're here to make those gains. That's why most of us are in the crypto space, but you need to understand how this game gets played so that you're not making the wrong move. At the end of the day, do what you will with that information, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated with give all the day-to-day information that you guys need to know, price action around specific indicators so we know when altcoins are getting squeezed, as well as overall specific altcoins to focus on. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey since the beginning of 2023, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the day-to-day events and the sentiment in the markets, just so you can understand what's going on and you can navigate these markets with specific indicators, the sentiment, and overall the broad perspective in the markets. You know, I've been documenting my whole journey, learning throughout this whole process, and that's why I feel so confident in this. And you know, let me know where you guys are on your journey. Is this your first crypto bull cycle? Are you a seasoned trader and have an understanding of what's going to be happening? Have you been here for one cycle, but you know, you're still teeter-tottering, not really knowing what's going on? Drop it down below. I would love to hear everyone's perspective on the markets, where they're at on their journey, just so we can see exactly, you know, if we all have a general consensus or if we're all on different pages and we could be seeing something completely different. But I think altcoins are going to be ripping up very significantly, more than likely nearing the end of February, moving into March and April. And then from there, I think, you know, altcoins are going to rally up, and then from there have a cool off period again before having a huge rev up at the end of the year. But that's just my perspective. Let me know what you guys think of my perspective. Let me know what you guys think is going to be happening, and everything else in between. But I'm going to keep you guys updated with the day-to-day events. Tomorrow I'm going to be dropping a specific video more around these indicators, how price action is looking around altcoins, and just everything you need to do. But today is more of a vibe check, letting you guys know that, you know, this is anticipated. Understand indicators, understand price action, and you'll feel more comfortable. Overall though, new to the channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.